Hey, so I have a 2011 Accord here, and what's going on is when the switch here is set to door, only one of the lamps actually turns on, the right side. But however, if I push the actual switch, both lamps turn on as they should. So they'll turn on and off manually, but the door trigger does not turn the left one on. The issue is this switch here. I actually already repaired the problem, and I'll show how to take this thing off real quick. But basically, what I ended up doing is just taking this switch out, which you can see you can use some sort of a plastic or a flat head screwdriver, maybe assembly to pop this switch out. And then I cleaned these contacts with a flat knife so to get rid of any corrosion. And I also then ended up taking off the switch on the other side and swapping it to, and doing the same thing, cleaning both. I mean, may as well clean the contacts, and also it's a good way to troubleshoot it. If the problem moves to the other side, then maybe your switch is actually bad and needs replaced. If the problem is fixed, well, then you knew it was bad contacts. I actually bent these pins ever so slightly, just so that they make a little bit better connection. And yeah, and that was it. It snaps in pretty easily, comes out the same way. I used this tool I got off of eBay. You may or may not have it. If you don't, you can probably use a small flathead screwdriver. Just try to be careful. This is plastic, so it's it's nice. It doesn't scratch the components. Yeah, and I just put the screwdriver in here and pop this out. Same thing with the other side. To get this off, you see there's a screw hole here and a screw hole there, and when it's in there, you just got to take the screws off. And obviously, on top of it, there's a plastic cover, the clear lens cover. So just that right there. And I use the same exact tool, except the other side. So I just kind of angle it from the side and pop them off. You would want to do it from the side where the latches are, so the front and rear, I guess. There's nothing here on the left or right, so as it sits, it would be like that. So you want to get it here and the other side. Well, that's about it. So that fixed my problem. Thanks.